Prakriti Farms Residence, a modern L-shaped farmhouse designed by Nivasa, located in the quiet rural landscape of India. Built with concrete, natural stone and warm wood textures, the house reflects a clear architectural intent to create a calm, open and enduring living space that responds to nature. The structure is arranged around an L-shaped footprint, allowing for deep views, cross-ventilation and a strong relationship with the landscape. The design minimizes physical boundaries, creating seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor areas. Wide openings, sliding panels and shaded verandas help regulate light and temperature naturally. Inside, the layout is open and fluid. Social areas like the living room, dining space and kitchen connect without walls, enhancing interaction and spatial flow. Every space is oriented to capture soft natural light from more than one direction, a principle that enhances comfort throughout the day. The material palette is intentionally understated. Walls are finished in natural plasters. Floors are paved with stone in warm neutral tones. Wooden beams, textured fabrics and organic finishes give the interiors a tactile, grounded feeling. One of the standout design elements is the custom-built Tonic on Waves bar, a sculptural unit crafted from layered wood that anchors the central living space with elegance and movement. Prakriti Farms Residence is not about luxury in the traditional sense. It's about balance, restraint and thoughtful design. It offers a slower, softer way of living, where architecture supports a deeper connection to light, land and the rhythm of daily life. This is a house that doesn't try to impress. It simply belongs, and that is what makes it unforgettable.